In the picturesque city of Udine, Italy, a remarkable renovation project, the CFP House, has unfolded. This two-story penthouse, boasting a breathtaking view of the inner town park and the Italian Alps, undergoes a profound transformation that not only alters its physical structure but also redefines its essence. The crux of the project lies in the ingenious utilization of the attic space, turning it into the nucleus of the CFP house. This strategic move reshapes the entire setting, breathing new life into the residence. The inclusion of new stairs and a private indoor elevator not only enhances accessibility but also contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal. Central to the project is the meticulous consideration of both natural and artificial lighting. The interplay between light and space is carefully orchestrated to create an ambience that is both inviting and functional. Furthermore, a hidden integration of HVAC equipment ensures a seamless and unobtrusive presence, allowing the design to shine without compromising on comfort. One of the distinctive features of the CFP house is its playful approach to space. The design intentionally conceals certain areas, inviting guests on a gradual journey of discovery. This element of surprise adds a dynamic layer to the living experience, as each corner unfolds a new facet of the residence. The architecture becomes a guide, slowly revealing its secrets to those who traverse its halls. A touch of unparalleled craftsmanship graces every corner of the CFP house. All furnishings are meticulously crafted and tailored by Italian artisans, injecting a sense of uniqueness into the project. This bespoke approach not only elevates the aesthetic appeal but also establishes a connection to the rich tradition of Italian craftsmanship. Beyond the visual allure, the CFP house embodies a harmonious blend of design and functionality. The thoughtful integration of various elements ensures that the residence not only captivates the eye but also caters to the practical needs of its inhabitants. It stands as a testament to the marriage of artistic vision and practical utility. In conclusion, the CFP house renovation in Udine emerges as a symphony of elegance and functionality. From its strategic reshaping of the attic to the meticulous consideration of lighting and integration, Every aspect is orchestrated to create a living space that is not only visually stunning but also a joy to inhabit. This project stands as a testament to the transformative power of architectural ingenuity, bringing forth a renewed identity to a penthouse overlooking the charm of Udine and the majestic Italian Alps.